it's Christine Hodge, the Process CEO, and today is Money Monday. So, I'm going to talk to you all about how we manage our finances as small business owners. We own an exterior cleaning company. We're in the home service field. We've been in business for 20 years, and we just got a grasp on our finances about 6 years ago. And that's why I'm here to share all of my information with you. We allocate Monday mornings. It's called Money Mondays from 9 a.m. until noon. So I'm giving myself 3 hours to pay close attention to my QuickBooks, my CRM, invoices, accounts receivables, accounts payable, as well as my personal finances. Me looking at our numbers in black and white every single week keeps me in the loop and makes sure that we are on track as a family and as a business to our financial goals. And I highly recommend that for you. I will be sharing more Money Monday tips with you, but today I'm going to get started in sharing our sales tax strategy with you. In our state, we are located in New Jersey. We are required to pay our sales tax for the previous month on the 20th of every month. If you have a question about when you need to pay your sales tax and how to do it online on an online portal for your state, be sure to ask your accountant. We're able to pay it on a New Jersey website, and we use our CRM Jobber to calculate what needs to be paid. Regardless of what CRM you're using, or even if you don't have a CRM, but I highly recommend you get one, you should definitely use your CRM and learn through that CRM platform how to calculate the sales tax due on a monthly basis to make this really easy for you. So basically, we file our sales tax on the 20th of every month from the month before. It's paid monthly, but we also have quarterly taxes that are due. So we also pay quarterly sales tax. That quarterly number is due every April, July, October, and January. This is for the months of March, June, September, and December. So basically, you're going to pay January monthly in February. You're going to pay February monthly in March. And then in April, you're going to calculate the quarterly due. So basically the balance, which should essentially be March's sales tax. I hope that makes sense for you, but I'm going to go ahead and show you a short demo. There's also something that is interesting, which are exempt, sales tax exempt clients. If you have an exempt client, somebody who does not need to pay sales tax, you do need to collect an exemption letter or an exemption certificate and keep it on file. We store our exempt client files directly on Jobber under that client profile so that there's no confusion. And if, God forbid, we were ever audited or something like that, we have proof of why we did not collect sales tax. And the onus kind of falls on the client for making sure that they give you that letter. If you cannot get a non-exempt letter from that client, you do need to charge and collect sales tax on every invoice. Another important factor is that you need to pay sales tax on an accrual basis. So that is what's required. Again, go check with your accountant, but for us, it is paid on an accrual basis and not a cash basis. That's something really important, and it can significantly shift your numbers. We calculate our sales tax in Jobber, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that right now. So here we are in Jobber. I've logged in. This is my Jobber dashboard. It's completely irrelevant for this chat, but this is where I've logged in. You're going to navigate to your report. So regardless of what CRM you're using, you're going to go over to your report section. And hopefully you have a taxation report. If you're a Jobber user, this is going to be super easy for you. If you're not a Jobber user and you're interested, I do have a 2-week free trial plus an exclusive discount link below in the comments if you need. So you're going to click on your taxation report. Now, again, it is important to file your taxes on an accrual basis. Again, depending on where you're located, be sure to double check this with your accountant. So we have to file on the 20th of every month for the previous month. So in this case, I'm in November right now. I would be filing for October. So I'm going to go to a custom range. I'm going to click October 1st through October 31st, and I'm going to generate the report. Once I've generated that report, you can see the total gross that I have charged our clients. You can see what was billed that was exempt, meaning those clients gave us an exemption letter or certificate that we stored on file, and we were able to mark them as an exempt client, and they did not have to pay us sales tax. So it was removed from their invoice. And then you can see the taxable amount. Here's the taxable amount, and this is the sales tax collected. So I'm basically going to enter this number into the New Jersey State website. Again, from your accountant, find out where you are going to make this electronic payment. I'm going to say that I am filing it on an accrual basis for the month of October, which is not a quarterly payment. And the number is $17,850.27. After I have filed that with the state, I am going to save the payment receipt. It is so important to save these documents. I save it as a PDF in a folder titled sales tax with the month that was paid. And then I go into my QuickBooks. So we do use QuickBooks to manage our finances. And I enter the sales tax paid in QuickBooks in the tax report section. That way, when the payment comes out of our business bank account, it automatically matches with that payment, and I can go ahead and mark it matched. So some key things to take away from this video are you need to find out exactly when you need to make your payment or what that deadline is for the previous month and for quarterly. In the state of New Jersey, it is by the 20th. So if it is November 20th, I need to file for the previous month, which was October. In January, by January 20th, I'm going to have to file for December of that previous year. Something else to keep in mind, which is a really important note, is that you're going to file on an accrual basis and not a cash basis. Make sure to double check this again with your accountant because they know all of the local rules, regulations, and laws for your state, but we file it on an accrual basis. Another important thing is make sure that you log it. So wherever you're managing your finances, you're going to save that receipt and you're going to log it. In our case, it's going to be in QuickBooks, or you can give that information to your accountant if your accountant is managing your finances, whatever works for you. But you should save the receipt and make sure that you log it so that you know when you made that payment and when you can expect it to come out of your bank account. And also, if you don't have a reliable source to calculate that sales tax amount due, you should get one. So if you're using QuickBooks exclusively, work with someone on setting it up so that it's telling you what sales tax is due. If you have a CRM, learn how to use the reports. For us, it's Jobber. If you're interested in trying Jobber out, go for it. I have a discount link below. I really hope that this video was a helpful resource for you. It's really important to stay on top of your finances as an entrepreneur, small business owner, family business as well. You don't want to fall behind on your sales tax. So I really want this to be a resource for you. Again, please comment below if this video was helpful for you. And please like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm here as a resource for you so that I can share information with you that I wish someone shared with me many, many years ago along our entrepreneurial journey. Remember, I'm the Process CEO, and my goal is to simplify, systemize, and help you succeed. Thanks so much, and see you soon.